In today's video, I will walk you through how to make a drop shadow effect in Adobe Photoshop. Start by selecting the Move tool, then double-click the layer you want to create a drop shadow for. Once the Layer Style window appears, select the Drop Shadow checkbox. Now move the shadow away from the original image until it looks the way you want. After that, click OK to commit the shadow effect. Next, go to Layer, then Layer Style, and choose Create Layer. Click OK to create a new layer. This will place your drop shadow onto its own separate layer. With the shadow layer selected, press Ctrl and T on your keyboard to transform the shadow. You can now use the handles around the shadow to adjust its size and shape. While moving the handles, it helps to hold down Ctrl so you can distort the shadow and position it more naturally. Continue adjusting the handles until the shadow looks the way you want. Once you are finished transforming the shadow, click outside the transform box or confirm the transformation to apply the changes. And that's it! You now have a quick and clean looking drop shadow effect in Photoshop using a separate shadow layer that you can freely transform and customize. Thank you for watching.